Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the fascinating world of slime mold simulation, and let me tell you, it's as intriguing as it sounds. So have you ever wondered how you could bring a little bit of nature's weirdness into the digital realm? Well, my guest today has done just that with an innovative project using WebGPU, a new technology for rendering graphics on the web. And for those who might not be familiar, WebGPU allows developers to harness the power of the GPU while doing computations for things like simulations and game developments. This opens up a wealth of possibilities. So let's talk about the slime mold itself for a moment. Did you know that slime molds have this incredible ability to solve complex problems like finding the shortest paths through a maze? Inspired by this, Sebastian Lai created a popular slime model simulation that this project builds upon. Our guest took that foundation and, well, added even more depth to it. Now, you produced a demo that runs the simulation, right? Can you share what drew you to this project? It's super fun. It's like recreating a piece of art, but instead of using a canvas, I'm using a graphics pipeline. Each shader pass is like a layer in a painting, transforming how we visualize the slime mold's dynamics. Interesting. Now, for the listeners who might want to get their hands dirty, you provided a setup guide. What does it take for someone to create or experience this simulation on their own? Absolutely. It's as simple as cloning the repo, running a few commands to install the necessary packages, and then boom, you're set up. But a little caveat, WebGPU doesn't work on all devices, so some might encounter an error screen. Always a fun thrill, right? For those who want to see more than just a demo, you've also shared some resources, including a YouTube devlog. What can viewers expect from that? In that video, I go into depth about what WebGPU is, and I explain compute shaders in simpler terms. It's like breaking down a complex recipe into manageable steps. Plus, I discuss the graphics pipeline specifically for this slime simulation. So for, the budding developers out there, it's definitely a worthwhile watch. And about the research backing this project, you referenced papers and previous simulations. How important is that foundational knowledge from the academic side of things? It's crucial. The concepts from researchers like Jeff Jones on Physarum really shape the direction of these simulations. They give us insight into the natural processes we're trying to replicate digitally. It's like standing on the shoulders of giants. As we wrap up, what do you hope listeners take away from your slime mold simulation project? I hope they're inspired by the intersection of nature and technology. It's amazing what we can create when we understand the processes behind them. Maybe it'll spark someone to explore their own ideas or projects. What a great thought to end on. Thanks for sharing your creativity and insights with us. Everyone, make sure to check out the slime simulation and the resources linked in the description. Who knew slime could be so captivating? Until next time, keep exploring and experimenting.